me, beauty pageant isn't just about a beautiful face or a perfect body. It's about who will pull the envelope. So I hope I'll make a difference one day, no matter who will win the title today. Everyone is beautiful inside out. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Moving on to contestant number 2.
You owe it to yourself to be the best version you can be. Namaskar Mumbai and good evening ladies and gentlemen. I am Sheetal Sharma, daughter of Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and daughter-in-law of Maharashtra. Professionally, I am a marketing manager in an MNC based in Singapore. And by passion, I am a Kathak Indian classical dancer. I am living a dream to build an art institute where talent is the only criteria to join, regardless of their financial strength or background. Being a mother, I believe that no other role in life more essential and eternal than that of motherhood, where you are accountable to build the future of the world. Thank you so much and have a great evening ahead.
Contestant number 3.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen and respected judges. My name is Khushi Shashank Iyer and I am from the city of dreams and glamour, Amchi, Mumbai. I am a trained scuba diver. Everybody needs a dose of vitamin C and I get it from scuba diving. I'm a big time foodie, a sweet tooth that encouraged me to become a pastry chef. And I'm also a mother to a very beautiful daughter who recently turned 1. I got married to a very awesome guy who have a very loving and supporting family. That this is the only reason I'm here, standing on this platform. And I'm very proud to be their daughter-in-law. Thank you.
Thank the husband and the audience. Okay. A round of applause for the husband who's taking care of the kids while she's here. Seriously, they deserve an applause. If you don't mind, can I ask you a question? I'm sorry. Pardon me, I've just noticed a lovely tattoo on your back. Anything significant about the tattoo?
Yes, it's an angel and that was my very first tattoo. After getting it, actually life has changed. Because I think I have been blessed after that.
The angel is having your back.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you once again. Going on to contestant number 4. Looking lovely, ma'am.
थैंक यू गुड इवनिंग जजेस मेरा नाम ऋचा रंजन है मैं मुंबई से हूँ मैं एक होम मेकर हूँ मेरे क्यूट से 2 बच्चे हैं मैं अपने सपने को मेरा एक ड्रीम था जो मैं अपने सपने को पूरा करने के लिए इस मंच पे आई हूँ और अपने मन और अपने सपने को साकार करना चाहती हूँ और अपने कदम को बढ़ा के अपने सपने को साकार करना चाहती हूँ मैं होम मेकर से ग्राम तक के सफ़र बहुत रोमांच पैदा करने जैसी थी और मैंने इसे बहुत अपने पाँव फैला के स्वीकार किया है इस चुनौती को और मेरा थैंक यू
so much, ma'am. Thank you. Lady in pink, contestant number 5.
Very warm good evening to all the respected judges and the lovely audience over here. I am Medha Agarwal and I hail from the beautiful city of mountains and valleys, Dehradun, Uttarakhand. I am a freelance fashion designer by passion, educationist by profession and housewife by choice. My better half belongs to the fraternity of Men in Blue. He is a fighter pilot with Indian Air Force. We have been together in this beautiful journey of life since last 11 years and we are blessed with 2 kids, 9 years and 3 years. I believe, work hard, be ambitious, keep your priorities straight, your mind right, your head up. Do what you love and love what you do. The philosophy of my life can be epitomized by the words of our late President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. All birds seek shelter in rain, but only eagles fly above the cloud, which says, we all go through ups and downs in our lives, but the people with right attitude only come out of it with flying colors. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Eagle above the clouds and husband flying jets, even above the eagles, right? You're one lucky lady, absolutely.
Is not having strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have the strength. My name is Chatali Pathak Kutaskar. Today I am here because of my not giving up spirit and my support from my family. I am working in field of IoT and making devices and technology for smart cities under Swachh Bharat mission. Apart from that, I work for orphan children through different NGOs and orphanage. I am a belly dancer too. My philosophy of my life is creating value in each moment and making everyone inspired by me who is there in front of me. I believe that every ground comes with responsibility as well as so many opportunities. So keeping this thing in my mind, I am here in front of you to create my crown in glory. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Up next is contestant number 7.
Never be a prisoner of your past. Be an architect of your future. You will never be saved. Good evening, everyone. My name is Shraddha Agarwal. I hail from Kanpur city in UP. And now, I am living in a paradise which is popularly known as Queen of Beaches, Goa. I define myself as a teacher, which gives me inner satisfaction to be able to shape the character, caliber, and the future of our children. I'm also a dog lover, and I think that a dog is the only creation on earth that loves you more than he loves himself. I'm truly blessed with a beautiful family in my life. Without their love and support, I wouldn't be standing here. I think success is not just about what you have accomplished in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. In the end, I would like to say that a girl is a whole by all means. She is the spirit of a nation. She should be embraced. So people save the girl child. Thank you.
After 7 usually is 8. But here we have contestant number 9. We Indians are a superstitious lot. शनि जो है नंबर 8 वो कईयों पे भारी पड़ता है. तो 8 नंबर लेने के लिए कोई रेडी ही नहीं था. लेकिन आज सैटरडे है, शनि जी का दिन है. Anyway, going on, contestant number 9.
3 times the blessing sent from above, 3 times the smile, 3 times the love. Yes, I'm a blessed mother of beautiful bunch of triplets. Good evening and a very warm welcome to everyone. This is Dipali Kumar hailing from the heritage city of Ahmedabad and currently staying in Pune. The most beautiful makeup of woman is her passion and my passion is beauty. By profession, master with cosmetology and a salon owner. By passion, associated as makeup partner with many fashion events, which helps me to grow in fashion industry. My goal is to help and support underprivileged girls in beauty. I'm also educating a girl child in PMKVY, which is great initiative by Honorable Mr. Narendra Modi ji. Hope you all have a lovely evening. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next we have contestant number 10.
The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, dear judges. Today, I am here to live the life of my dream. I am Priyanka Sharma from Pune. I am born and brought up in the city of culture, pride and heritage, that is Jaipur, Rajasthan. I have been married since last 6 years and a mother of 4 years old son. By profession, I am a dance teacher. When I was 10 years old, I started dancing. Whenever I perform, the beat seems to sing with my soul. I'm a person who's driven by passion and strongly believing focus, hard work and determination. Nothing in this world is impossible. If I will be given the chance through this platform, I would like to work on women education. Education is a basic need and fundamental right for women also. If we educate the women, we can empower the nation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Very strong, very inspiring words. Contestant number 11.
बेटी है तो सृष्टि सारी, बेटी तो कभी बहन, तो कभी पत्नी, तो कभी माँ है नारी। आदमी जिसके बिना अधूरा, ऐसी होती है नारी। आदमी जिसके बिना अधूरा, ऐसी होती है नारी। कभी माँ की प्यार दुलारी, तो कभी बहन की राखी है प्यारी। ऐसी होती है आज की नारी। नमस्ते, जय श्री कृष्णा। मेरा नाम संगीता शर्मा है, मैं सूरत से आई हूँ। मेरा प्रोफेशनल फैशन डिजाइनर है और मैं मॉडल हूँ और मैं साथ में एक हाउस मेकर भी हूँ और मैं इस बात पे बहुत गर्व करती हूँ। मैं एक बहुत से छोटे से गांव से बिलोंग करती हूँ जहाँ पे लड़कियों को अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने की आज़ादी नहीं दी जाती है, लेकिन मेरे पति और मेरे दोनों बच्चों ने मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट किया और मैं आज अपने सपना पूरा करने के लिए इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आई हूँ। मैं आए हुए यहाँ सभी अतिथि को ये निवेदन करना चाहती हूँ कि अपनी बेटियों को, अपनी बहनों को, सबको अपनी ज़िंदगी जीने की आज़ादी दो। अगर एक इंसान ने भी मेरी बात मान ली तो आज मेरा यहाँ आना सफल हो जाएगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Up next, contestant number 12.
Life is like a drama. Earth is stage, man is actor, and God is director. Yes, today I am here to play one another role. Good evening, respected judges. A very good evening to all the lovely audience who are present here. I am Mrs. Pranali Satarkar from the cotton city of Akola. I am 36 years old, happily married, blessed with 2 children. My son is 13 years old, my daughter is 7 years old. Being a teacher by profession and a model by passion, and today I am here to live the life of my dream. I believe nothing worth comes. It is hard work and determination that is always driven me to be the best, and it's my pursuit to present myself in Mrs. Bharat icon. It is the beginning of many more achievements. Thank you. I hope you all have lovely evenings.
Thank you, ma'am. Well, up next is a very brave lady. He's out here to prove that 13 is no longer unlucky. Right? Right on.
Good evening, organizer, respected judges and our valuable audience. Myself, I'm Bharat ki beti, Mrs. Anju Kumari Singh, 35 years old from Singapore. I have done MBA, worked for many years in corporate, and today I'm a successful businesswoman in Singapore. I'm blessed. I'm having very handsome and supportive life partner and 2 lovely kids. I love traveling and making friends. It's my privilege. I'm associated with NGO Guru Kulyan Foundation. We are in field of education for poor and needy children. We are awarded and recognized by many celebrities and government. We are awarded by Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, and Chief Minister of Maharashtra. बेटी को मत समझो भार, जीवन का है वो आधार. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Next up, contestant number 14. Looking nervous, no need to be looking gorgeous.
Success does not lie in the result, but in efforts we will make for it. A very good evening to all of you and honorable judges. I am Mrs. Swati Parmar, 29-year-old from Agra, currently living in Punjab. I am a housewife and blessed with a very wonderful and sweet family.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am Shikha Chaudhary from Gandhinagar, 26-year-old, and I am a homemaker. I am a kind-hearted woman even to those who I do not care for. I am courageous, respected, presentable girl. I know what about me. I know what I have to do in my future. And my future is to do something for the humanity and for the society as much as I can do. I believe whenever you see yourself in the mirror, just remember God creates you. And whatever He creates, it's something beautiful. So believe in yourself. I want to be the epitome for the society that yes, even a after marriage woman can do, and
काम कर रहा हूँ और ब्राइट आउटडोर पार्टनर है, और जितने भी इवेंट्स होते हैं छोटे या बड़े सब में ब्राइट हिस्सा रहता है, और हर एक को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए और इनकरेज करना चाहिए। खाली सिर्फ बड़े बड़े शो को नहीं करना चाहिए, छोटे को भी बड़ा बनाना चाहिए। जितने भी सुपरस्टार्स हैं वो छोटे थे तभी मैंने उनकी फिल्म की, तो आज वो बड़े हो गए। ऐसे ये अवार्ड भी बड़ा ही है और भी बड़ा हो जाएगा। और ऑल द बेस्ट, कांग्रेचुलेसन एंड ब्राइट फ्यूचर फॉर ऑल मिसेस आफ्टर 40 की जो भी मैडम है। मिसेस भारत आइकॉन अवार्ड्स के लिए सब स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, आंसर अच्छा दे रहे हैं, ड्रेसिंग अच्छा है, तो भगवान मतलब हर एक को कामयाबी और खुशी दे रहे हैं।
आपको भी कैरियर में बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिले, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे कितना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है कोई पुरस्कार मिलना, कोई नाम?
अवार्ड्स एक आदमी को है ना इनकरेज करता है काम करने के लिए, अपने काम को एप्रिसिएशन होता है, तो एक्चुअली में ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है। और ये लोग अवार्ड्स घर में रखते हैं, ऑफिस में रखते हैं, लोगों को दिखाते हैं, फोटो पेपर में देते हैं, तो उससे लोग एक जो खुशी मिलती है वो अनकाउंटेड अनलिमिटेड रहती है, कि जैसे और आगे बढ़ने की और काम करने की और अच्छा करने की उससे प्रोत्साहन मिलता है।
और सर कल भी आप बोरीवली में फ्री ग्रोसरी बांटने वाले, बताइए कितना संतुष्टि?
हम लोग 2007 से 400 फैमिली को हर महीने के 4 जन एक फैमिली के मेंबर को 400 जन को फ्री ग्रोसरी देते हैं। लास्ट महीने में आपने साथ देखा होगा हमने 50,000 बुक्स गरीब लोगों को बांटी है, और 110 अपना ब्लड डोनेशन कैंप में बोतल जमा की है ब्लड की, 140 जन बच्चों को फी फ्री दी है, 1000 लोगों को आई टेस्टिंग और फ्री मेडिकल चेकअप देके, और 800 जन को फ्री चश्मा दिया है। और एवरी मंथ के पहले संडे को हम लोग मातोश्री जयाबेन चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट और ब्राइट आउटडोर सोशल NGO वर्क करता है और 400 जन को अनाज फ्री देता है। तो ये मेरे लिए बहुत सौभाग्य और खुशी की बात है कि इतने बड़े एक चैरिटी NGO सोशल इवेंट का मैं एक हिस्सा हूँ, और भगवान करे और मैं इसको लाइफ टाइम तक चालू रखूँ।
मीडिया को काफ़ी सपोर्ट करते हैं सर, इसके अलावा मतलब
मीडिया को तो मैं मीडिया की वजह से इतना बड़ा बन रहा हूँ, तो मीडिया को सपोर्ट करना मेरी फर्ज है। और
योगेश जी, भारत जैसा आइकन अवार्ड है, तो ब्राइट आउटडोर अवार्ड कब होने वाला है?
25 सितंबर को शायद ट्यूसडे को डोम वर्ली NSCI में उसमें ब्राइट अवार्ड नाइट हो रही है, और 40-50 फिल्म स्टार आएंगे, CM सर आएंगे, और बहुत जन ने तो अभी टेंटेटिव तो हाँ बोला है, लेकिन लास्ट ईयर आपने देखा था तो ब्राइट अवार्ड नाइट्स बहुत बड़ा हुआ था। और आप लोग के आशीर्वाद और लोगों का प्यार और अपने क्लाइंट्स के विश्वास और ट्रस्ट और माँ बाप के आशीर्वाद से इतना बड़ा आगे भी होगा।
हिमांशु झुंझुनवाला को भी अवार्ड दिया जाएगा?
100% बेस्ट PR का क्यों नहीं दिया जाएगा, 100% दिया जाएगा, वो अच्छा काम करते हैं। और मैं आपको एक इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ, मेरा फ्रेंड है जैसलवाड़ा आनंद भाई, और उनकी मिसेस आज के जो शो है उन्होंने एक वर्किंग भी किया है अच्छा, और उनको जितने भी ड्रेसिंग है मिसेस की उन्होंने बनाई है।
So I have designed ethnic wedding wear for first and second gold and platinum girls, and my store is at Juhu. So do please visit my store, and you know he is a very close and good friend. We did all the advertisement through him only, and we 100% trust him for all the things. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah,
Thank you.
Actually, she's the designer.
Let her start.
मैम क्या कहना चाहेगी? आज काफी डिजाइन, आपके डिजाइन काफी ड्रेस काफी सुंदर है, इसको लेके आप क्या?
2 राउंड्स कर रहे हैं, मिस भारत आइकॉन एंड मिसेस भारत आइकॉन, who will go internationally. As you know, भारत आइकॉन is a very renowned pageant जो बहुत अच्छे लोगों को शोकेस करते हैं, और आज मेरा कलेक्शन है पेरिनियल. So I love nature, and I have taken nature as my inspiration, and I have given this collection. Now I am having these 3 beautiful actors with me who will be my showstoppers. So let me introduce you. She is Chandni, she is Priyamvada, and she is Prithvi Hate.
Hello.
तो काफी मैडम ने आपको खूबसूरत कर दिया है, उसको लेके आप कुछ बताना चाहिए? बहुत ही सुंदर आप लग रहे, लाजवाब।
Thank you.
तो मैम आप कुछ बताना चाहिए, कितना मुश्किल रहा इतने ड्रेसअप पहनने के लिए?
बिल्कुल भी मुश्किल नहीं था, क्योंकि इनको बहुत क्लियर विजन था कि ये कैसा कैसा लुक देना चाहते हैं, और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि थीम एक है पर हम सब काफ़ी डिफरेंट लग रहे हैं। ये कलर्स सब हम सब पर खिलकर बहुत सुंदर लग रहे हैं, और सबका अलग अलग लुक है, और सबका जो पर्सनल स्टाइल है वो बहुत अच्छी तरह कॉस्ट्यूम के साथ जा रहा है। तो आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस लुक रियली प्रीटी,
एंड आई थिंक अकॉर्डिंग टू द पर्सनैलिटीज आर लाइक द वे वी कैन कैरी द टायर, आई थिंक उसके हिसाब से एवरीबडी इज बीन गिवन अ पर्सनल चॉइस ऑफ अटायर, पर्सनल डिज़ाइन, यू नो।
एंड जो हमारा ये मिथ है कि ये जो जैसे ये ब्राइडल है, इंडो वेस्टर्न ब्राइडल है,
और हमारा मिथ होता है कि कितने भारी गाउन्स पहनने पड़ते हैं, सलवार कमीज पहननी पड़ती है, शरारा पहनना पड़ता है, बट आई डोंट थिंक ये कुछ भी इतना हैवी है. आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल एंड वेरी हैप्पीली वेयरिंग इट. Very lightweight. So all thanks to you, and we love the design. Yeah, they're really, really pretty.
रैम्प वॉक के लिए कितनी तैयारी की आप लोगों ने?
10 seconds and we're through.
They all are very professional.
Yeah.
They Alicia just taught them one round. She just showed them, and they were done with it.
Yeah,
And the result you will be seeing on the ramp itself.
Don't judge because we're still actors and we are not models. So judge mat karna. We're just trying to showcase her work. I just hope we make justice to your work.
Thank you.
So that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
मिसेस भारत आइकन का सेकंड सीजन है और एक फर्स्ट हमने मिस भारत आइकन का भी ये फर्स्ट सीजन हमने स्टार्ट किया है और इसमें हमारे टोटल कॉस्मेटिक्स है, जो भी ग्रूमिंग है, टॉप ऑफ इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लोग हमारे साथ पार्टिसिपेट किया हुआ है और इसमें अर्चना कोचर, रोहित वर्मा और अदर फैशन डिज़ाइनर इंडिया के भी हमारे साथ पार्टिसिपेट किया हुआ है।
ओके सर, कितना मुश्किल रहा है इतने बड़े लेवल में आयोजन करना और बड़े बड़े डिज़ाइनर? अब
आपका विजन अगर अच्छा है, आपकी मंजिल है बड़ी, तो आपको ज़रूर मिलेगी।
कौन कौन परफॉर्म करने वाले हैं, किन किन के डिज़ाइनर होंगे, कुछ बताना चाहिए?
हमारे साथ जैसल बोरा हैं, अपने जागृति हैं, अर्चना कोचल जी सेलिब्रिटी वॉक हो रही है उनकी, और अदर अच्छे डिज़ाइनर हमारे साथ हैं।
सर रैम्प वॉक होने वाला है, साथ ही साथ कोई सोशल कॉज, कुछ मैसेज?
सोशल कॉज में हमारे साथ 5 एसिड अटैक वॉक करेंगे, जिसके लिए मिसेस भारत आइकन कुछ भी प्रोवाइड करेगा इसके लिए, स्पेशल कॉज के लिए।
ओके, इससे क्या मतलब, क्या एसिड अटैक को भी चूज़ किया था, दूसरे कॉज को भी चांस?
क्योंकि हर आदमी एसिड अटैक सर्वाइवर को इग्नोर करता है और उनको लाइक नहीं करता कि घर से निकाल दिया जाता है कि उनके फेस जल जाते हैं, वो हो जाते हैं, तो वो उनको ना फूड, क्लॉथ कुछ भी अवेलेबल नहीं होता है, तो उसके लिए बेस्ट लोग हैं जिसको हमने चूज किया है।
कहाँ से मॉडल हैं जो पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
ये यहाँ से जो चूज कर रहे हैं, यहाँ के सिंगापुर, फिनलैंड, दुबई, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, 4-5 कंट्रीज से यहाँ पर मॉडल, इंडिया से तो आई हैं पर 5 आउट ऑफ इंडिया से भी आई हैं। हमारा कोई चैलेंज हमें दिक्कत नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि हमारा एक सिस्टमेटिकल और सिस्टम से हमने काम किया और सब काम एज पर शेड्यूल हुआ हमारा। Thank you.
You know, two of the women of substance are right here. I think that the way these young girls have taken their career forward and molded it, and they're so focused at this age, is what makes them a woman of substance. So that's the reason I chose them to be my woman of substance, and that's the reason we are here right now.
I think the reason for us to be here is to obviously wear her beautiful clothes. I think the entire reason is her, and obviously to support women empowerment. This is, I think, the 5th or the 4th time we're walking for her and wearing her beautiful clothes. And to be, I think, women of substance for our favorite Archana Kochar is the best combination in the world.
And I think women need to be celebrated. So like how we're celebrating them as women of substance, we are also celebrating the women inside who've come from small towns. And I think by cheering for them, by encouraging them, we are empowering them. Things like even speaking properly, which we take for granted, proper English, which is so easy in a city like Mumbai. People who come from other cities even struggle with something like that, and yet they have the courage to come up on stage and try to say the right words. It takes a lot of courage. It's easier to sit and judge, but it takes a lot of courage. So I think by just being there, we even empower women in general.
I think she's one of the very few designers who really stands up, and we've done so many charity shows also together. We've come and worked for such good reasons, and I think today is again one of the reasons which, like she said, should be celebrated, and it's amazing to be here.
Ma'am, when it's come to fashion, what is the most challenging thing according to you?
So the most challenging thing in fashion is that everybody has different sensibilities, and to understand their sensibilities, the most important thing in fashion is to make each girl put her best foot forward. It's not about they becoming my clone, it's about they looking their best. To get to that zone is the most challenging thing about fashion, and I try to do that so that they look the best and they're putting their best foot forward, not becoming someone else.
Thank you.
एक विजुअल तीनों के साथ थोड़ा सा साइड एक फोटो ले लेते हैं एक फोटो ले लेते हैं।
celebrated, and we are celebrating womanhood by doing this Women of Substance round, and that's what she is working for.
Ma'am, you are so much beautiful. Can you tell us about your regarding?
Thank you so much. This is all Archana Kocher. I think this is peachish with sequins, and I think this is something which I can wear it for bridal wear or for a reception or anything. I think this is something which is just too good to be true. Actually, it is.
It's a very simple outfit, and when I saw her, she had a personality in which I thought that she would look really nice in something very simple and pretty, and that's what we did.
Yes.
Ma'am, Archana जी हमेशा women's लोगों को चाहे मॉडल को काफी खूबसूरत बना देती है। अर्चना जी अपने कपड़ों पे क्या कहना चाहिए अर्चना?
जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, I mean अर्चना जी खुद ही इतनी खूबसूरत है, so that's how it comes across her. All the work also, I think, and this is completely an example. I believe this is completely elegant and beautiful and simple yet classy and it. I mean I think किसी पे भी ये outfit suit करेगा. I would say that, and I'm very happy that yes I am doing this show and completely honored to be here right now.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Whatever she creates, I just feel beautiful wearing it. This time, उसने मेरे लिए अर्चना ने has chosen a nice white, pretty Indo-Western outfit for me. और मैंने ये white color कभी ऐसे specifically पहना नहीं है. So I'm very glad I'm wearing white and I feel beautiful wearing this. And of course, if you feel I'm looking good, the credit goes to Archana, of course, because she selected one of her best pieces for me, and I'm very happy wearing it.
तो subject women of substance है तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे? Women of substance should be.
I think every woman who is confident and every woman who takes a stand for herself is a woman of substance. It's just that I feel fortunate that I get an opportunity to work for Archana, but I feel every woman is a woman of substance in her own way. Yes, I'm in talks. I should be signing something soon in India. You'll get the good news.
You will be doing a Khatron Mein Khiladi. Can you confirm that any?
No, I'm not doing Khatron Mein Khiladi. I'll confirm that for you.
Okay, any show you're doing, we are come to know that you're doing one serial also.
Yes, I am in talks for an Indian show. So once things are finalized, I'll be in a position to talk.
Okay, ma'am, पिछले साल भी आपने रैंप वॉक किया था.
Yeah.
साल भी आपने.
So she is a very good friend of mine. Yes. So what I'd like to say about her is, besides being a woman of substance, which I believe in her, she's a very good friend of mine. तो एक हमेशा एक pleasure रहता है उनको हमारे लिए चलाने के लिए, क्योंकि मैं उसको बहुत पसंद करती हूँ. And she's a beautiful soul, so it's a pleasure to have her walk, and I completely believe she's a woman of substance.
मैम, अर्चना जी के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए? आप हमेशा से उनको ये cause पे हमेशा support करते हैं.
Yeah.
She always makes women beautiful.
Yes. I think I'm very fond of Archana because she is very passionate, and even I'm very passionate about my work. So that is one thing that connects her. And although she's doing so well, what I like about her is that she never feels overconfident. She wants to get better and better and better. I think जब आप overconfident feel करते हो, आपकी growth stop हो जाती है. So मुझे पता है Archana will keep growing higher and higher because she never feels overconfident. That's something I really like about her.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Archana Kochar, and it's always very honoring. Archana Kochar, she's a designer who is like already so established and does so much work for everyone. And I'm honored really to be wearing this tonight for her. And this Woman of Substance is such a beautiful platform wherein she actually gets to, focus on women who balance their professional and personal life and have done something in their life, have achieved something in their life. So it's obviously very honoring.
So being part of a major project, what's going on in professional life and how has been the journey so far?
Journey has been absolutely wonderful and satisfying, and right now I'm doing Bitti Business Wali, which you can catch on NTV at 7:30 p.m. So yeah, that is what is there in pipeline, and also there's one more Alt Balaji web series that I'm doing right now, which is called Aparan. It's on the news, but it's still like going to take some time to come on the web.
Yeah, how much is difficulty doing a television?
How much difficult is it to do a television? How difficult is it to do any profession in this world today? It's as difficult.
More than 12 hours. That's why I asked it.
That's right, but the perks are even better. See, so more than 12 hours. Obviously, it's a continuous effort from the whole team. It's not just the actors; it's everybody. It's the directors, it's the camera people, it's the behind-the-scene makeup and hair. Everyone gives in so much, but because we want to entertain the audience, and that's why this 12 hours are needed. So it's okay, and we love our job, and that's why 12 hours are not so taxing for us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a very beautiful cause to get associated with, to support women empowerment and to raise awareness through whichever medium which we can, which we are capable of. And I'm very happy that she's doing it.
Thank you.
I'm happy that I could be a part of it through her. So yeah,
it's a pleasure to have you walking for us. It's a pleasure to have her walking, and I think that whatever we do in the name of women empowerment is less.
Yes.
So whatever we can add to it always adds, and we need to do it as women who are in this position. We need to do it and encourage others and empower them.
And what's going on in professional life and art?
Yes, I have 2 Hindi films lined up. I'm going to start shooting in September, and I'll tell you more about it as and when it's ready and out. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Frankly speaking, but I'm really happy that I was like able to associate myself with these people and such a lovely people, warm people, and बहुत छोटी सी बात है समाज के लिए कि सुंदरता चेहरे की बहुत कम दिनों की है, चेहरे की सुंदरता बहुत कम दिनों की है, दिल की सुंदरता पूरे जीवन भर की है. So please, I feel accept these people also, because this is a part of our own society, own families. I really appreciate the families who are like, they are taking care of such people. It is not easy, but it is not impossible also. So please accept it, and they are our family, they are they belongs to our society from our own country. So please guys, like it is a humble request to everybody. Bombay is a big place. A lot of acid victims are there. So I really appreciate if anybody can come up with the same idea. Akhilji has done beautiful job, and I'm really thankful to Akhilji, like who has given me the chance to fulfill my dreams. And this is something which I can do something for my society, and this is something like everybody wants to do it for your country or your society. So this is the way I can do, because being a designer, this is the only way I can put my effort for this country. So please, these people, they love, they want love, and please encourage them. She's lovely, darling.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much, Tina, for giving us all of us the opportunity to wear your beautiful dresses. It was so amazing. Each of the outfit is designed so beautifully.
Thank you.
And I know that each of them were so happy wearing those outfits. So thank you so much, Tina.
Thank you so much. You can imagine how enthusiastic she was. Just understand the feeling. Even they have the same feelings which we are, having in our heart.
Please, public say we have a very small girl who is affected by acid attack victim. This is very sad that what is happening to little kids as well.
नहीं, इसी में मैं ये बोलती हूँ कि हम कमज़ोर नहीं है, हम खुद का एनजीओ चलाते हैं, एसिड सर्वाइवर साहस फाउंडेशन. आई एम द फाउंडर ऑफ एसिड सर्वाइवर साहस फाउंडेशन.
Let's have a clap for her. She's doing fantastic job.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.